Welcome to this video aims to show you how to cook turkey and vegetable stir-fry protein meal prep step by step. So, let's get started on this protein-packed journey together. Stay tuned for the full recipe. Ingredients: 1. Ground turkey. 2. Mixed vegetables, bell peppers, broccoli, snap peas. 3. Soy sauce. 4. Garlic. 5. Ginger. 7. Olive oil. 8. Rice or quinoa, optional. Instructions. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a pan, then add minced garlic and ginger. Step 2. Add ground turkey, cook until browned. Step 3. Stir in mixed vegetables and cook until tender. Step 4. Pour in soy sauce and stir to combine. Step 5. Serve alone or overcooked rice or quinoa. Thanks for joining Souda Wellness. Remember to prioritize your health and well-being.